Dairy Farm. Today we will learn about milking and dairy operation vehicles. These special machines help collect, store, clean and transport milk. Let's start. Milking machine. This is a milking machine. It helps collect milk efficiently and hygienically on dairy farms. Portable milking machine. This is a portable milking machine. It can be moved easily and used in different farm locations. Mobile milking parlor. This is a mobile milking parlor. It brings the milking system directly to the farm field. Milking parlor unit. This is a milking parlor unit. Many milking machines work together here to save time and effort. Robotic milking system. This is a robotic milking system. Uses advanced technology to operate automatically. Rotary milking platform. This is a rotary milking platform. The circular design allows continuous and efficient operation. Milk tanker truck. This is a milk tanker truck. It safely transports milk from farms to processing facilities. Milk collection truck. This is a milk collection truck. It gathers milk from different dairy farms every day. Insulated milk transport vehicle. This is an insulated milk transport vehicle. Keeps milk fresh during long distance travel. Self-propelled feed mixer. This is a self-propelled feed mixer. It prepares and distributes feed efficiently on dairy farms. Automated feeding robot. This is an automated feeding robot. It delivers feed accurately and consistently. Slurry tanker. This is a slurry tanker. It helps manage farm waste and support soil health. Manure spreader. This is a manure spreader. It spreads organic fertilizer evenly on farm fields. Dairy farm cleaning vehicle. This is a dairy farm cleaning vehicle. It keeps barns clean and hygienic. Livestock transport truck. This is a livestock transport truck. It is designed for safe and secure farm transport. There are milking and dairy operations vehicles. They play an important role in modern farming.
Bye bye, till next time.